many of us thought that are we alone in this universe? Here are my 2 cents by exploration of space, time, life, and beyond Earth. Have you ever looked up the night sky and wondered, am I looking an empty universe or is someone somewhere looking back at us? Welcome to 2 Cents with me, Balaji. Today, let's embark a journey across space and time to explore the humanity's oldest and most profound questions. The most profound question is, are we alone in this universe? Before we get to know the answer, or before we answer that question, let's understand the stage on which this mystery unfolds. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. That is more than one grain of sand per beach. Just imagine the huge size of our galaxy itself. And there are trillions and trillions of galaxies which is swirling across the observable universe. And who knows, there are quite a bit of stars like our sun can help create planets with living beings, or probably there are already existing in place. So the possibility of life, uh, most importantly, நம்ம வந்து அதை பஞ்சபூதங்கள் சொல்லுவோம், but mainly it is liquid water, a stable atmosphere, the right temperature. So these are the main things. So if a planet falls in a Goldilocks zone, which means it has got liquid water, stable atmosphere, and the right temperature. Well, it should not be too hot, not too cold, just the right thing. Life emerged on Earth, could it have emerged elsewhere too? But that leaves us with another different paradox, the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life is common in this universe, then where is everybody? Let me put it in very simple terms. Either we are very, very ahead in terms of technology and we have moved on, or we are completely behind and the technology has actually moved on. So that is, in simple terms, is the Fermi paradox. Intelligent life probably are kind of incredibly rare. Maybe civilization destroy themselves before reaching the stars. Maybe advanced beings are observing us quietly, or the distance between us, just I just said before, are already observing us. But we don't get any signals, no spacecraft, no undeniable proof. Silence is the only thing that prevails across. So that again leaves us with two different things. What if we are alone? And what if we are not alone? I leave those questions open for another blog because nobody has an answer. We can only debate it either between astrophysics, space, spirituality, and uh, our mentality. So quite a few things cannot have answers, and it is good to have not to have the answers too, because that leaves us more mind breaking and ultimately நம்மளுக்கு தான் பைத்தியம் பிடிக்கும். So what if we are alone and what if we are not? I leave that back to the blog. Thank you so much.
What if the thing holding you back isn't reality but your perception of reality? Think about it, because sometimes the greatest illusion is what we think we know. These are my 2 cents.